If journaling feels new, or you've tried it before and it hasn't felt quite right, you're not alone. At Moon and Earth, we see journaling as a way of coming back to yourself, not something to get right, not something that needs to look a certain way, just space to listen. Here are 3 ways to begin. 1. Make it feel special. Choose a journal you really love, something that feels nice to hold, that you want to come back to. It might seem small, but it changes how you show up with it. It becomes a space you return to rather than something you feel you should do. A quiet space for you and your thoughts and feelings, just for you. 2. Let it meet you where you are. You can journal anywhere, in bed before sleep, which is beautiful for getting thoughts out of your head, or outside in the garden, walking in the woods by the sea. Sometimes simply being in a different space, physically or mentally, can help things shift easily. It can be a really beautiful way to begin your day, not in a forced way, but gently setting the tone. 3. Keep it honest. You don't need pages of writing. A few real sentences is enough. Instead of overthinking it, try just asking, what feels most present to me right now? You might start with something like, I feel tired, annoyed, frustrated, grateful, and just see where it takes you. Often, once you begin, more will naturally follow. Here are a few prompts to begin. What feels most present for me right now? What feels like it's shifting or changing my life? Where am I being invited to slow down or open up? What do I need more of at this moment? Journaling doesn't need to be another thing on your list. It can simply be a moment to pause, reflect, and come back to yourself.